very important to stay fit your entire life. Stay active, keep moving. And I don't care if you're 7 or 70, a lot of us sit a lot. We sit in our professions, we sit in our hobbies, we sit on the computer, we sit on Zoom. And so getting moving is extremely important. Walking is great at all ages. Brisk walking if you're younger and active. Running is fantastic, biking, swimming. Combine that with a little bit of strength training, which you can do with elastic bands, free weights, or just body resistance like push-ups and pull-ups. And then if you combine all of that with stretching, keep that flexibility. Work on your hamstrings, which tend to tighten. That's those muscles behind the thigh. Work on your low back. Keep your shoulders limber. Keep your ankles and feet limber. If you work on all of these things, you're more likely to be active into your 60s, 70s, 80s, and 90s, and you're less likely to have to see me for injuries.